Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. As you can see today, I've got the Degustabox for me to show you all. If you don't know what this is, it's basically a box full of snacks and new food products to try. You can find them at Degustabox.com and it only costs $12.99 a month, and it comes with at least 10 items a month, different snacks and food items to try. I've been getting this for ages now, so you've probably already seen a few of the other videos. So, let's see what we've got. Okay, so this has changed a bit. It used to just be like one sheet, and now they've kind of put it in like a little booklet thing, which is good. So this tells you everything what's inside, and then there's some recipes and info on it. And this is about another box what they do. It's like a premium box, limited edition, what you can get for $19.99. So let's just get on with what's inside. Okay, this is a chickpea tortilla snack, cheesy nacho. It's not really something that I like. I'm not really a big fan of nachos. I think they taste like cardboard. That's just my opinion though. Okay, so these cost £1 a bag for those. And the next item is, so we've got some brioche rolls. I've had these before. I'm not sure of this box, but I think they're like really nice for like small sandwiches and stuff. And I think there's 6 in there, and those cost £1.50 for bread. Okay. The next one we have Telstar Heavenly Cookies. So we've got chocolate mini cookie stars, which cost 50p a bag, or £10 for 25 bags. Let's give these a try. Yeah, they're in like a star shape. Good. Not bad. I've also got caramelised one too. I'm guessing these are like the chocolate. So chocolate ones and caramelised ones. I have some Hellmann's fat-free vinaigrette originals. Like, I think it's like a salad dressing. Excuse me for eating. Yeah. Salad dressing, and £1.65 for that bottle. Next up, we've got some Roundtree's dessert pastels. Flavours are cherry baked one, blueberry pie, apple crumble, and mango sorbet. And those cost normally £1.29. Oh, we've got another bag of these too. So these just say Arbor Taste, less of the naughty, reduced sugar ones. So I'm guessing, yeah, there's 3 bags of those in total anyway. Got some from Graze. I did have a Graze box years ago. Kind of like nuts and things, and these are like a smoky barbecue, peas, crunchy corn, chips and chili corn. That one is normally £1 for the punnet. Got some spicy grains. This is rice, vegan Mexican spicy grains by Whitworth's. I'm not sure if that's rice or quinoa or the other stuff. Yeah, that. Okay, it's £2, spicy grains. It just says naturally nutritious. Okay, so I imagine it's a bit like an alternative to rice, maybe. It's one of those microwave packets that you just put in the microwave and warm up. Got this alcohol. Oh, yes, we've got some Echo Falls Rose Seltzer Blueberry at 4.5% alcohol. Maybe I'll have that tonight. So those cost they cost yeah, £1.80. £1.80 for that can. This sounds nice. Oh, we've got some Botanic spray oil. So you can use it on salads, pastas and marinades. I'm guessing this is kind of like a summary box. Oh, it's outdoor and barbecue theme for me. So that's like a spray oil. That's £3 for that bottle. Which isn't too bad actually for a spray bottle that size. Okay, we've got organic sparkling lemon, sparkling water. Sounds refreshing. That's £1.50 for that can. Couple more things left. Got a Gray's protein bar. We seem to get a lot of these in the boxes. I don't know if they're just like extra freebies. Let me have a look if I can find that one. Oh yeah, Gray's cocoa vanilla protein oat bite. So that's £1. And then, so we've got some cheese and smoky chipotle oat cakes. It's like a snack thing, you can put bits of stuff on them. And they are, how much are those? £1.50. We've got some Hershey's chocolate, cookies and cream. A very popular American chocolate brand. That one is normally 89p for a bar. And then the last item is a jar or something. So we've got rosemary and onion seasoning from Knorr. And this one is £1.80. It says good for sweet potato salad. Good for a sweet potato salad, roasted veg stew, etc. So, and I want to keep with my spices, so that's everything in this box. Okay, so let's see how many items we got in total. Because we do say at least 10. Number 10 to 12, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 items in total this month for just £12.99. I don't know how much the box is worth in total. I don't think it really says, but obviously a lot more than £12.99 you pay, and that price also includes your postage as well. Can't grumble. That is Degustabox.com, and if you want one, go to the website and sign up for one. You can normally get at least £5 off your first box, I think. They were doing a lot of offers a while ago. I'm pretty sure they still are. So, yep, that's all for this one. Bye.